Let me see. Tama? Let me see. Saan dyan?
Tapos na.
Oh.
Tapos na.
Ito. Number 5.
Hindi pa.
Oh, sige.
Tapos na.
8 minus 2. Sige nga. 8 minus 2.
8 minus
Count again. 8. 1 to 8 yung
2.
ginagawa mo.
Hindi.
1.
With 3 minus 3.
No, unahin mo yung dulo. The ones, the tens, and the hundreds.
Oh.
Where's the ones? 1.
8.
Count 1 to 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Minus 2.
1, 2.
Okay, how many remain? Ilan? 6. And then the other one, 3 minus 3, 0. Then 6, bring down, that's 606. Okay? Next, number 6. 4 minus 4,
4 minus 4.
0. 5 minus 4. Yun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 20.
Very good.
3 minus wala.
3 minus wala, bring down 3. So let me see the answer. So
310.
Very good. This is
606.
wow, very good. Marunong ka na
401.
401. 411. 411 is 411, okay? Pronounce it?
1,000 yun.
No, it's just hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds.
Nababa mo sa 4.
411. Walang 1,000 yan. Wala namang ano eh.
Sa
Kasi,
niya, borrowing daw. Sabi ni teacher.
saka yung borrowing, pag kulang. I'll show you how. Okay? So, next. Ano pa yung pag-aralan natin? Ano pa? Sige. Show me. Okay, sige. Find the difference. Sige. Find the difference.
Ay, X mo. Borrowing.
Oh,
Ibi
sige.
borrow.
Oh, so, 6. So, let's find the difference. Part of the subtractions has been done for you. Okay. Let's find the difference. Dito yan, anak. Oh,
3
borrow. 300.
minus 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So 1. It's also 17.
Yeah, very good. 3 minus
Oh,
7
wow.
cannot be. So, 13. 13 minus 7. You count hands?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mm-hmm.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Then,
11, 12, 13.
okay, minus 7.
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5, 6, 7. How many ang natira?
6.
Very good.
Dalawa blank.
Yes, one more pa. Kasi,
More 3.
so, dalawang blank. Nag-borrow siya ng isa. That will be 5.
5.
5. 5 minus 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Minus 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 2. Very good. Okay, yun. 4 minus 9 cannot be. Borrow 1. So, it will be 14. Diba?
14.
14 minus 9. So, 14.
Oh,
No, dyan sa taas yan. Tama yan. Ganon yun, no? Yun, no? 14 minus 9. You count 14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Minus 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9. So, remaining. Very good. Sige. Very good.
Marunong
Marunong ka lang ng subtraction, anak, ha? Hindi lang addition, ha? So, next time, mag-multiplication tayo. Ma-perfect mo lahat yan, anak. Sandali lang yan. Ako. Let's practice. Okay, start. 93 minus 74. So, 3 minus 4 cannot be. Borrow 1. So, you put it 13 sa taas. 13.
Ito?
Yeah, sa upper portion niya. 13.
Ito?
Dito, yan. 13. Okay. Then, sa baba is 8. Ito, 8 ito. Yung 9, maging 8 yan. Kasi you borrow 1, di ba? So, 13 minus 4. Sige nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
minus 4.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So, remaining. How many?
9.
9. Okay, very good. 8 minus 7.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Minus 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1. Very good.
19.
So, 19. Okay, number 2, number 2. 50 minus 27. So, 0 minus 7 cannot be. Borrow 1. So, 10.
10,
10.
10,
10. Then, the other side is 4. So, yung 5 mo, maging 4 lang yan. Diba? So, 10 minus 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Minus 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many? How many yan?
3.
3. Okay, next. 4 minus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Minus 2.
1, 2.
Very good. Baby Sam, alis muna. Tapos ka na. Mamaya naman si kuya na muna. 25 minus 8. Number 3 tayo. So, 5 minus 8 cannot be, di ba? Okay, ano yun? Check na. Check na. So, number 3. 25 minus 18.
Ay, hindi na
So,
patapos.
Hindi pa tapos. So, 6 minus 5. So, yun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Minus 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, 1.
15.
Very good. Ayan. At least nakita mo, anak. O, ayan na. So, back again. 25 minus 18. 5 minus 8 cannot be. Borrow 1. So, you put. Ano yung sa taas? Anong number yan?
15.
So, 15. Very good. Marunong ka naman pala, anak eh.
Hindi ako wrong sa school.
Okay. Basta wag kang tatamad-tamad. You listen sa teacher lagi, ha? Ha? Okay. 15 minus 8. You count 1 to 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Minus 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, how many? 7. Okay. So, you borrowed 1, di ba? So, ito magiging 1 yung sa taas.
Okay.
So, 1 minus 1, 0. Don't put na. You can put 0, 7 or 7 na lang. So, 0, 7 na lang para clear. No! 0. That's 0.
Okay.
Or you put 7 na lang para hindi ka ma-confuse. It's okay. 7 na lang kasi understandable na yung 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay? You put 7 na lang. Okay na yan. Ha? So, pag walang sagot, that means 0. Ha? Okay? 1 minus 1 is 0. So, okay? Dito tayo. Next, number 4. Number 4. 40 minus 16. Marami tayong inquiry, anak.
Ay, borrowing.
10 minus 6. Borrow 1. Magiging 3 yung 4. Magiging 10 yung taas.
10.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sige, sige. Sige. 10 minus 6.
Run. 1.
No. You borrow 1 here, di ba? So, magiging 3 siya. Right? Oh. 3. You put 3 sa upper side. Upper left side. Okay. So, 10 minus 6.
10 minus 6.
Count 1 to 10 again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
May
8,
go to
9,
bathroom.
10.
Okay. Minus 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? It's come to 4.
Yeah. Okay. 3 minus 1.
Okay. 3 minus 1.
Okay.
1,
1.
1,
Count 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Minus 1.
1.
Okay. So 2.
24.
Yes, very good. Next, 64 minus 47. 4 minus 7 cannot be. Borrow 1 sa 6. Magiging,
14.
yes. Yung 6, anong magiging number ng 6? You borrowed 1. That will be 5. Less 1. Then crush out number 6. You put ganun. Oh. So 14 minus 7. You 14. You brush your teeth?
2, 3, 4, 5,
Huh? You brush your
6,
teeth?
7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11, 12.
Why 10?
Oh.
Count 1 to 10 again.
1, 2,
14,
3, 4,
I mean.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Minus 7. Minus 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
How many yung remain?
10.
So 7 also. Sulat mo maayos? Okay. 5 minus 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
Right.
2, 3, 4.
Very good. Bayan ba, matututo ka ng mabilis, anak. Basta slowly, and then bilisan mo na pag magaling-galing ka na. 40 minus 39. So 0 cannot be. Plus 1 minus 4. So 10 minus 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Minus 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. 1. Okay. So 3 minus 3.
3 minus 3.
0. So, no need to put yung 0, ha? Okay? So, understandable yun lagi, anak. Basta, you
Hi,
can put
Mommy.
0, 1, or 1 only. Okay? Okay, very good. So, bye for now. Next time naman, ha?